Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Genesis GV70. First, ensure your vehicle is securely locked and the transmission is in park. Next, open the Genesis Connected Services app on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a strong internet connection for the app to communicate with your car. This process is straightforward and adds great convenience to your daily routine, especially on cold mornings or hot afternoons. Once the app is open, navigate to the main menu and locate the remote start icon. Tap this icon to initiate the process. For security, the app will prompt you to enter your personal 4-digit PIN. This ensures that only authorized users can start your vehicle remotely. After entering your PIN, the command will be sent to your GV70 and you'll receive a confirmation message. After successfully entering your PIN, the app will display a confirmation that the remote start command has been sent. Your Genesis GV70 engine will then start and run for a default period of 10 minutes. During this time, your vehicle's climate control system will activate based on your last settings, ensuring a comfortable cabin temperature when you get in. You can also extend the runtime if needed. You can also remote start your GV70 using the key fob. First, press the lock button once. Then, within 4 seconds, press and hold the remote start button for about 3 seconds until the lights flash. Your vehicle will start, and the climate control will begin. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. This method is perfect when you're closer to your car and don't want to use the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.